Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by checking simple settings that restore the Wi-Fi icon quickly. Open Settings and go to Personalization, then Taskbar. Select Taskbar Corner Overflow and make sure the network icon is toggled on. Next, open Task Manager and restart File Explorer to refresh the tray icons. In Task Manager, end the Explorer. EXE process and run a new task named Explorer. EXE to restart it. Finally, click the caret in the system tray to reveal hidden icons and confirm the Wi-Fi icon appears there. If the icon still does not appear, check Windows services that support networking. Press Win+R, type services. MSC, and confirm network list service and network connections are running and set to automatic. Next, open Device Manager and expand network adapters. Right-click your wireless adapter and choose Update Driver, or choose Uninstall Device and Reboot to trigger automatic reinstallation. Confirm the driver version after reinstalling. A correct driver and running services usually restore the network icon in the tray. For persistent issues, run built-in repairs and policy checks to restore the icon. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to repair system files, followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to restore component health. Reset networking stacks with netch winsock reset and ipconfig/flushtons, then reboot the computer. If your device is managed, open the Group Policy Editor and check User Configuration, Administrative Templates, Start Menu and Taskbar for a policy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.